All right, so still working with revisions. This is exercise 7-13. We're going to add revision clouds to a view, and then we're going to tag the revision clouds, and you'll see how everything that we just learned in the previous two exercises comes together. So we're going to activate the level 1 floor plan. This one, A101, it looks like, unnamed sheet with the level 1 floor plan. And then we're going to activate the annotate ribbon. On the annotate ribbon, we want to select the revision cloud from the detail panel. So detail panel, revision cloud. On the properties pane, select the revision that is tied to the revision cloud. So let's see, so it says wall finish change. So we want sequence 1, wall finish change. Under comments, we want to enter finish changed to Southwest, or I don't know what that means, SW Gold Sunset. So it sounds like a paint color. All right, and then I'm going to say apply. And then you can use any of the available draw tools to create your revision cloud. In this example, we're going to select the rectangle tool. And we're going to draw a revision cloud on the wall indicated. So it actually looks like this wall. We're just going to draw a little box around it and then close it. And notice that the cloud is placed even though you selected the rectangle tool, but it's still placed it in a rectangular pattern. And we're going to hit the green check mark. Okay, so now this cloud represents that there was a change to this wall. And if we click on the cloud, we can see that that change goes back to, actually, let me activate the view, that change goes back to this wall finish change, and then the comments help us know what the change was. Alright, so let's try another one. So we're going to activate the annotate ribbon, and we're going to select revision cloud, and then we're going to select sequence 2, the window change style, and then the comment, we have to change the comment here. Oop. Try to delete that out. Boy. And we want it to say use ASSY code 301, okay, for the window style. Now we're going to select the circle tool. And we're going to draw a revision cloud on the window indicated. So it looks like this window up here. We're going to draw a revision cloud around it. And I probably shouldn't have started at that point. So I'm going to move that. Oop. If that happens to you, you can just move it as well. There we go. And then we hit the green check mark. Now if you mouse over the revision, you'll notice that the tooltip shows up and it says what the revision was. So it says A2 window style change. We're going to activate the annotate ribbon, and we're going to select the revision cloud again. And this time we're going to use the sequence 3, the door hardware change, and we want to say use. I'm going to delete this out. Use hardware set number 230. Okay. And then I'm going to select the spline tool. So the spline is, I believe, this one right here. Yep. And we're going to draw the cloud in the clockwise direction around the door indicated. So it looks like it's this door. So in a clockwise direction, we're going to just start and we're going to pull it around, and it kind of circles around this door. You gotta click it and then close the spline. And then we're going to hit, whoop. Oh boy. And I had a serious error occur, so let's figure out why that happened. Revision cloud, it did not like that spline tool. Okay, let's go back. Use hardware set. number 230. Okay. Oh boy. You know what? I am not going to do that again. I'm just going to use a rectangle. I was just trying to show you multiple tools you could use. That's fine. And what happened was my error was that I had overlapping segments, which is why my spline didn't work. So you can try the spline to see if you can do it again. It's not a big deal if you don't use the spline. We're going to hit the green check mark, and now we have 3 revision clouds on our drawings. So we're going to zoom into the title block, and you'll see those revisions listed, so A1, A2, and A3. Now to help us understand which one of these is A1, A2, A3, we're going to tag the revisions. So we're going to go to the Annotate tab, and we're going to select Tag by Category. It's Tag by Category, and then if you pick one of the revision clouds right here, they'll say there's no tag. Do you want to load one? We're going to say, yeah, of course we want to load a tag. So we're going to go to the Annotations folder, and we want to select the revision tag. So I'm going to scroll down to find revision tag, and I'm going to say open. And then I'm going to select the revision cloud again to add a tag. And I'm going to select them actually all over each one of these drawings. So just make sure the tag goes outside of the drawing like that, or the bubble, okay? There we go. So now we can clearly see this is revision A1, and then we could relate that back to our revision schedule over here, which says A1 was a wall finish change that happened on August 2nd, okay? And then if we, of course, if we click on the tag itself, we can see the comments. And if we had a schedule for all the revision changes, we'd be able to see those comments. So that puts everything together with revision clouds.